what food to eat. So it's really hot here, and like, I don't know. I've been really bad at filming because, I don't know, and my bag got really wet, so I got a new purse. I'll show it later. Everything in my bag wet from my water bottle, the first shop that we went to. So, I had to put it all out to dry. I got a new purse because my old one got wet, my tickets got wet, my purse, there it is, got wet, the notes in my purse got wet, but I spent them, and there's my bag. Yeah, I think the jeans are really good. I tried on like a couple pairs, but like this was the first pair that I tried. So
by love.
okay, I feel like I have to show that I'm wearing a top. Okay, anyways, but it's been kind of hard to film because I kind of am embarrassed, but also I don't really know. I'll show what I got. So I got little bowls for my granny, but actually I'll put a picture, but I don't want to open them again, sorry. I got this, I got another one as well, and I got this like bandana thing. I'll put a photo as well if I can. Denim purse, because my purse got wet in my bag. I got these for my little sister, cause this is my dad, cause for my other sister Lucy. Got this for Grace too. Gives this to one of my friends, but I don't know who. Like, it's, I don't know, it's been kind of a crazy day. I'm not used to being in Japan. So and I think I got a bite on my face. Yeah, Emily is gone to the shower, so maybe we'll go for a little walk and no, it's really hard to do that. So yeah, hack if you're in. Okay, Emma, always wear your sandals and don't be like her. You get the best aesthetic shots from this channel only. As you saw, we tried to go to a temple, but it was kind of closed. So we're going to a little park that says it's open 24 hours, so let's go. It's only like 7 o'clock, like it's not that late, but
Sunset's really early at like 6 or something. In Ireland, we usually fight till like 11. Maybe a bit earlier now.
yeah. So I'm on this trip with a nerd, so yeah.
I'm in ball knowledge by your own home.
Get. Whoa. Like him? in a park now, so there's like these steps. There's like a bridge. The bridge. Ah! Who is this? You gonna get anything? I hope that I don't really know what it is, but I hope I get someone handsome. My Japanese boyfriend.
I want this one.
This one?
This one.
This one.
Or him.
I wish maybe it was like high school. Because I think these are old.
NFL? Did it say?
NFL is not this. But so yeah, don't go on holidays with Emily because she'll just go on her phone.
Sorry.
On TikTok. She's obsessed with TikTok.
I actually haven't.
Okay.
What?
I gotta pack.
Huh?
I gotta pack. And I gotta have a shower. And yeah. Bruh.
Sorry. Well, I was just laughing at Instagram just now.
Brush my teeth and then I'm going to, yeah. I'm gonna pack my stuff. So this is the floor. This is after the suitcase is packed. Look how clean my side of the room is. Everything's neat and organized. This is the end. So I hope that you liked it. And maybe you learned something. I don't even know. But the room looks kind of aesthetic because, well, it's tidy, but also it's just a little light for the reader. Anyways, so I'm gonna do some reading and I'm gonna go to bed. So, cause we gotta wake up early. So, also, I don't even know if I filmed that much today. So, I don't know. But lots of love.